Today we will solve weekly contest 398, sum of digit differences of all pairs. You are given an array consisting of positive integers where all integers have the same number of digits. What is the definition of a digit difference? It is the count of different digits that are in the same position in two integers. Okay? And you have to return the sum of digit differences between all pairs of integers. Means now suppose you have two numbers 4 and 5. Both are different in their ones position, so their digit difference is 1. Okay, let's explain with the sample test case. It is 13, 23 and 12. Okay, so first, when we are taking a pair between 13 and 23, then the ones place is same, so there the difference will be 0. The tens place we have a difference, so the digit difference is 1. Now for 13 and 12, for 13 and 12 we have a difference in the ones digit. So our ones digit difference will be 1, and then for tens digit the digit is same. So there won't be any difference. So the total difference is still 1 for this pair of numbers. Now for the last pair 23 and 12, our ones place is different and tens place is different. So we have two different places. So our answer is 2. Okay, so basically the idea is that we will calculate the digit difference for each place, for ones place, for tens place, for hundreds place, for thousands place, and we will sum up all of those digit differences, and that would be the answer for that current value. Now if it is 24 and 12, then the digit difference for the ones place will still be 1. We will not do 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. We just have to count the difference. There is a uh, if there is different digits, means 4 and 2 will also count as 1, 5 and 2 will also count as 1. We need the count of different numbers, not the actual difference between the numbers. Okay, now we can see ki the nums constant is 10 raised to 9, which means we will have at most 10 digits. Okay, so we will have to calculate for 10 places at max for each digit. So the idea is, okay, first, now if we have to calculate the digit difference and we have these numbers already in in the array 12, 14, 16, 23, and we have to calculate the digit difference for 33 with respect to all of these previous numbers. So first we will start step by step. We will calculate the digit difference for the ones place. Now 23 has same digit, so it won't be counted. 12, 14 and 16. Each of them have a digit difference, so it will count 1 in the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 3 numbers. That's why the ones digit difference is 3. Now we will do the same for the tens place. 12, 14, 16, 23. All 4 are different, therefore the tens place difference is 4. Now we just have to sum up all the differences of each place, and so the digit difference for 33 with respect to all the numbers is 7. So the idea is कि we will create 10 hash maps. ठीक है, 0th hash map will calculate all digits for the ones place. First index will calculate for the tens place. Second index for the hundreds place. Okay, and we will continue that for all the tens places. Okay, so we will have different hash maps for ones place, tens place, hundreds place, so on, and we will calculate the difference for each digit. Okay, now since this hash map will have a maximum of 10 digits, so this searching of one hash map will be O of 10, and since the maximum digits will be 10, so it will be maximum of 100 operations. Now let's assume कि here we are making a hash map of ones digit. So 3, 2, 4 and 6 all are present once. So we are storing in the hash map with digit and value is the count. Now for 3 we will have to check how many of these are different. 3 is same, so we don't count them. 2, 4 and 6 are different. So we will sum up all of those values and that will be the digit difference for ones place. Now we will do the same thing for tens place, hundreds place. Okay, I'll explain the code now. Okay, uh, the same logic will work in C++. Okay, the Java logic is also simple. I'll explain in an easier way. Okay, so I took 15 hash maps just to be sure. Okay, you can take 10 as well, it will work. Okay, then after defining all of those hash maps, I have iterated in the numbers. Okay, after iterating in the numbers, okay, I have assigned num as the current number, and then I am breaking my number into digits. Okay, now index is equal to 0 means ones place, index is equal to 1 means tens place. Okay, so after I get my digit, I will iterate in the hash map of that index, and if that digit is not equal to my current digit of the number which I am checking, then I will add the value. Means in my hash map value, I am keeping store of the sum, means the count of those numbers. So I have to sum up all those counts where key is not equal to that digit. Okay, then after I complete this, I just fill that current map with the digit, means for ahead digits, like if we have some other digit after this like 34. Okay, then we will have to calculate okay, let's say 35. Okay, 35, so we will have to calculate the digit difference of 35 with all of these numbers. So after I calculate the digit difference of 33, I will have to enter 33 as well inside the map. So I fill the 0th index of map with my ones place, first index of map with my tens place. Okay, so basically in my ones map I will enter 3, in my tens map I will enter 3. Similarly for all the digits I will enter whatever number is there in that position. I have created a separate function in Java to fill the digit in 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 in, in the map, because it, as C++, it is not straightforward just plus plus. You need to check whether the key is present or it is not present. So I have created a separate function. Over there it checks if the value is not present in the map. I will have to push it with a count of 0 and then I increment the count.